Hi guys, a comment on YouTube about Gedit. Now Gedit is something very old and my first response was it's maybe not ready for Wayland because we are now on Plasma. And here is too, we have the arcoplasma, so if we ask the ISO, this is the arcoplasma. And all I did was sudo pacman -s gedit. I got a lot of dependencies. You don't see them now, but there were, well, 5-6 dependencies. That's not a lot. And I just typed it in and everything launched fine. So gedit, let's visit the file and also open up something. I had kitty.conf open and we have here some buttons that we can do. And you see the design already that it's a Gnome thing. So Gedit is easy to use in general purpose text editor. He's used to use it and I'm used to use Sublime Text. Well, and this is quite old indeed. So here's a start date. 1998 is when everything started in the beginning and it became a Gnome project over it's incorporated. And I now wonder, is this actually still working? Do people still develop on this? And yes, they do, right? So we went to here and then Gedit, those are the issues, went to the commits, and you see a week ago, 2 weeks ago. So yes, Gedit is still very much under development, under construction, and people are working on it. So this might be a good idea. It's just the user's choice. I know it's from Gnome and we're on Plasma, but it will not explode. It's just a choice. And here are some preferences, and I was playing around and looking around at all the possibilities that you have here and some coloring. So I changed the coloring already a little bit, playing around with the possibilities. This was the default look and I did not see the numbering here. So that's why I went immediately to look for something that I could read. And these are the possibilities. All right. So yes, it's interesting. Here are some other things that might interest you: formatting schemes, tap width, etc. So to the user, I have no issues in running Gedit on Plasma. So have a look and see what it conflicts. As usual, guys, run things from the terminal, right? And hopefully it throws an error, and it will of course throw errors. But as long as it works, this is because of the fact, yeah, we're not working on Gnome. And here is something about spelling that is not available, lip enchant warning, but who cares? Those are not important, since obviously they open, it works, and you can read things, you can save things, so that's all good. So well, that's the only thing I can do for the user. Yes, it works fine. So launch from the terminal to have a look, and maybe you guys have a look at Gedit. Why not? Another editor, and it's still very much under development. Bye.